So this is the 2026 Cobrainer summer release, and I want to quickly talk to you about why this release really matters exactly right now. The personal agent answers all questions and acts as a personal consultant in reviewing, refining, and really digging deep on what that work, those individual roles, those tasks should really entail.
The agent is supposed to guide the user, go through this complex workflow of creating a job architecture for their company.
The agent already has pretty much every capability you can imagine when it comes to modifying, editing the job description. So let's use our transcribe to say, hey, change this title to core banking infrastructure engineer. And can you adjust the description based on that new title? And now imagine, right? A hiring man, we have like oftentimes the situation that the job architect and the hiring managers, you know, those are kind of people in a large organization. They need to somehow get started, right? And having the agent do it for them, like they can point to the agent, right? So they will be invited much more to actually use this. And now you can see it, right? It already made the suggestion. So it changed it to core banking infrastructure engineer. And now I can basically see all the changes it makes. I can compare it, and it'll show me the changes right there. And now it's not even here yet. It is now kind of in like this intermediate state, and I can now accept, reject, or tell it to do something else. If I click accept, boom, it's there, right? And you see version 2.
For me, like what matters the most is actually how the agent remembers stuff. An agent without a proper context management is basically just chatbot. No memory, no like memorization of the facts or preferences of a user or preference of a tenant specifically. And this was a lot of work that we had to do to really think about how to build a token-efficient, multi-layered memory concept for our agent that suits specifically the needs for its use cases within our product. Not only thinking about the job architecture, but thinking ahead of time where this new graph-based multi-layered approach like does the best and like delivers the best results. This makes me like really excited about what we can do with this agent and how this agent is going to interact with the users.
I think it's a great step to help our users really build up an architecture step by step, and they can't be a better partner for them.
So think of the personal agent as really a consultant that has the deepest job, skill, task, and course architecture knowledge baked in, and that knows all that data that's been being generated and reviewed within your organization to the T. This agent, you can now pull in to ask any questions with regards to consolidation, level of detail, specific aspects of the tasks and the roles, and overall the structure of your job architecture, and kind of asking him to also assess from a market basis the quality and the status quo of your job, skill, and task architecture.